Hello, I'm Nirmal Balaji from CSCP2. Here I talk about cells. It is the basic building block of all living organism, which means it is the basic thing. The group of cells is known as a tissue. Under the process, the group of tissues is made up of skins, right? It transports the nutrients into energy to the human beings, and it gives the structure for human beings. These are all cells functions, and it contains body material and copies of themselves. What does I mean? It converts into copies to make the structure of the body. It has many parts and different function. It has in human body we have trillions of cells. Under the cells it has a lot of group like cytoplasm, cytoskeleton, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, mitochondria, nucleus, and plasma membrane, ribosomes. These are all under contain cells. Okay, next under I talk about a nucleus. Nucleus is nothing but it gives a command for the cell to grow, mature, divide, and or die. Okay, it is the house DNA cells material. Okay, it is are surrounded by a membrane called nuclear envelope, which protects DNA and separates the nucleus from rest of the cell. What is I'm telling, right? It's a cell. Under the cell it has a center nucleus having in the nucleus. What is its work is to protect the DNA to grow the cells. This is the process of nucleus. Next we are talking about Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus is nothing but it process the endoplasmic reticulum to transport out of the cell. What is endoplasmic reticulum? Endoplasmic reticulum is nothing but it helps the molecule to create the cell. Okay, it transport a molecule to inside or outside. If the cell goes to inside means it will help the endoplasmic reticulum help the cell to go inside and outside. Okay, next we are talking about cytoskeleton. Cytoskeleton is nothing but it is a network for the structure framework. How the human, in the case human have some structure, animals have some structure, and birds have some structure. These are all common under the cells. Okay, this work is a process of cytoskeleton. Lysosome is nothing but it is the foreign bacteria it digests the toxic substance. This is the process of lysosomes. And plasma membrane is nothing but the cell's outer structure. The outer lining of a cell is known as a plasma membrane. Ribosomes are nothing but it is a genetic instruction to create proteins for the cells. To create protein for the cells is known as ribosomes. These are the common thing what we know about cells. What I know about these cells. And thanks for listening. Thank you.